to refute your theory right off. Oh, Elcom says Wesley isn't playing. Oh, Wesley's not playing in Croatia? Oh, really? Ah, maybe he's not. Okay. Just take here. Okay, so he doesn't accept the gambit. I'm trying to play the shilling gambit. Let's play Queen H4 here. Arena Kings will start in about 1 hour 9 minutes, you guys. 1 hour 9 minutes. So that's when it starts. So that's actually a good move. Let's try to trade some queens here. Taking maybe knight g4. Do I watch Aiden Ross? No, I don't. I know who he is, but no, I don't watch his channel. Go here and take. Go c6, maybe knight d7, maybe knight h5. Do I think Nepo is stronger than Magnus? Not likely, but I guess anything can happen in a match. But as I said, I think it's very low. Did TSM contact you or you contacted TSM? TSM reached out to my agent. And as I said, they were not the only org. Do you think chess and your YouTube channel would get more attention and views if you join FaZe Clan because of the immense reach and contacts they have? I don't know, maybe, but I'm not with FaZe Clan. I'm with TSM. Let's just cast. Whoa. Let's just take the bishop and castle here. Will I ever do an IRL stream? I could do an IRL stream. I mean,